फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we are here talking about the 38th match of IPL 2024. This match is being played between SRH and RCB. और जो पहली innings में हुआ है, I don't have the words to describe what SRH did to RCB with the bat in hand. I'll put the scoreboard on the screen for you guys, and I'm pretty sure you must have watched. And if you were not free to watch the match, you at least would have heard it from somewhere or would have seen it on social media. SRH put on a massive, obviously record-breaking total of 287 at the loss of 3 wickets. This is the highest ever IPL team total in the history of the Indian Premier League since it began in 2008. और आज SRH ने किसका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है? वेल, SRH ने अपना ही रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है, क्योंकि कुछ साल नहीं, कुछ दिन पहले SRH पोस्टेड 277 अगेंस्ट MI इन हैदराबाद, और जब लग रहा था यार ये they have obviously broken a big record, 277. You very highly unlikely you see a total like this. अब पता नहीं कितने साल this record might stay. Well, SRH decided to come out at Chinnaswamy and say ये 277 मारा था ना, let's score थोड़ा और ऊपर, and थोड़ा के 10 रन और ऊपर. 287, just 13 run shy from 300 in a T20 game. This is obviously a massive total at Chinnaswamy against RCB's bowling lineup. Well, we all call RCB's bowling lineup a very big bowling lineup, but nevertheless, यार जितनी भी weak हो कोई bowling lineup, अगर आप 287 मार रहे हो, it requires a lot of effort to score 287. These are the top 5 highest team totals in the history of IPL. Number 1, SRH scored 287 at the loss of 3 wickets against RCB today. Number 2, again, as I said, against MI, SRH scored 277 few days back. KKR also few days back scored 272 against DC. Number 4 is RCB's. Before this season started, RCB held the highest team total record, 263 at the loss of 5 wickets versus Pune Warriors back in 2013, जब rising Pune Warriors की team थी. Number 5 is LSG scoring 256 last year against Punjab Kings. These are the top 5 highest totals in the history of IPL. और अगर आज की बात करें 287 के आर्किटेक्ट कौन है, नंबर 2 पे अगर आप देखेंगे किसने बैटिंग की है, I know you'll get the flashbacks of 19th November 2023. Travis Head, the man of the World Cup final, again stood up today. 41 ball 102 runs, 41 ball 102 runs at a strike rate of 248. He scored 100 at a strike rate of 248. और उनके आसपास भी आप बैटर्स देख रहे हैं ना, 287 मारने के लिए एक सेंचुरी काफी नहीं होती, और भी ब्रिलियंट एफर्ट्स और क्विक इनिंग्स चाहिए होती हैं. अभिषेक शर्मा एट द टॉप 34 रन 22 बॉल्स पे, 154 का स्ट्राइक रेट. क्लासन, the man in form, जिनके बैट से बॉल लग के it just goes into the stands, and there is no sense कि वो फील्ड पे गिरे बॉल. He is in that kind of a form. He scored 67 off just 31 balls at a strike rate of 216. माकरम 17 balls पे 32. अब्दुल समाद ने भी नीचे आकर 37 रन मारे हैं 10 बॉल पे. और जो छोटी छोटी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन होती है ना, अब्दुल समाद, माकरम, these contributions help the team to post a record-breaking total of 287 at the loss of 3 wickets. A big total. And it looked like EA Sports, हमने बचपन में काफी खेला. It really looked like a EA Sports game, the way SRH was batting. Klassen, Travis Head, Markram, Abdul Samad, Abhishek Sharma, everybody was just delivering every second ball into the stands, if not every ball. हर दूसरी बॉल कम से कम स्टैंड्स में जा रही है, 4 पे जा रही है. फील्डर्स आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. विराट कोहली के विजुअल्स आ रहे हैं मैच से, फील्ड से. वो हीरो कैम है, उसमें विराट कोहली को अलग से जो लोग देखते हैं, उन्होंने काफी स्क्रीनशॉट्स भेजे हैं. ही इज फ्यूरियस. He was animated throughout the innings, the way bowlers were conceding these runs. But 287 at the loss of 3 wickets at the end of 20 overs is a mammoth total, and SRH is well and truly ahead in this game as of now. The game is already underway. The second innings is underway, and this is a big total, and it looks like highly unlikely this total might not be beaten. It takes a lot to score 287, but we said the same thing for 277 few days back. वो टूट गया, 287 हो गया. So you never know. Someone comes out, or even SRH again comes out, scores 290 against someone. Again sounds highly unlikely, but then again जिस तरीके से रिकॉर्ड टूट रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से SRH ही अपने रिकॉर्ड तोड़ रहा है, it looks like even that is possible. What an innings, what a knock by Travis Head, Klassen, Markram. This was just pure carnage from the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Something that the fans love to see. Obviously not RCB fans, they'll be traumatized, I'm pretty sure, especially those who are in the stadium. But as a cricket fan, even them, they got to see, I mean, brutal power hitting from all the batters, starting from number 1 to number 6, I guess number 5 they batted. Till what a performance, what an exhibition of power hitting. Well, a good day for SRH out there. Hopefully they'll be hoping that they'll win this game easily now, because as of now Bangalore is already 5 wickets down with a score of 123 and 10 overs. So this is SRH games more or less. But what an innings by Travis Head. I mean, he's making the right noise. He proved to be very dangerous for India in the previous World Cup, and looks like आने वाले World Cup में भी काफी teams के लिए he'll be a big threat. Well, a good day for SRH and office, as I said, and a good day for all neutral fans and SRH fans especially, who got to see this exhibition of sixes, fours, boundaries, 287. Well, hopefully for all the bowlers in the league, this is the last record total that we see in this year. But you never know, the way SRH and all the teams are batting in this year, anything can happen. Well, do subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. We'll keep bringing you more such VODs. We'll keep discussing all these records that are being broken every single day now. Looks like every single day now. So to hear more records being broken, to discuss more cricket Next is your platform. To write your feelings, your thoughts on the innings, on SRH's performance, RCB's bowling, anything and everything related to this match, to IPL and to cricket. The comment section down below is the place. So until then, please enjoy the IPL and take care.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.